This is your sign that your life changes now. Recite and visualize these powerful affirmations to reprogram your subconscious mind. With each recitation, you strengthen and reinforce positivity in your thoughts. As your outlook improves, you will more effortlessly manifest your desires into reality. If you believe in spreading the gift of positivity and wellness throughout the world, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing to Zenzoji. It helps our channel grow and reach others who can also benefit from it. Thank you. Let's begin. I have the power to be completely confident in myself. I am whole and complete, worthy of every good thing life has to offer me. My confidence radiates from within, projecting outwards into the world around me. My self-belief is unstoppable and unshakable. No obstacle can prevent me from being confidently successful in all areas of my life. I trust that I will always make wise decisions with courage and grace. The more I believe in myself, the higher my levels of success become. I use my inner strength to break through barriers and achieve great things with confidence. I take life in my stride, unafraid to step out of my comfort zone and explore new possibilities. I am proud of who I am and the things that I achieve. The more confident I become, the brighter the future looks ahead of me. My inner wisdom guides me with courage and conviction as I reach for my goals with confidence. It is safe for me to be completely open and honest about how I feel without fear of judgment. Every day brings opportunities for growth and manifestation of confidence as long as I remain positive and hopeful about the future path ahead of me. Nothing can stop me from living a life of confidence and fulfillment. I am capable of creating the life that I want with strength, courage, and total faith in myself. My thoughts are powerful and positive. They lead me to manifestation of great confidence every day. With each step forward, I gain more confidence in my own abilities to achieve anything I set my mind to. My voice is strong and clear when it comes to expressing what is important for me in this world with confidence. My potential knows no limits. No heights are too high for me to reach, with self-belief and inner strength guiding my way forward. I accept compliments graciously, knowing that they are true reflections of how amazing I am. I trust in my own intuition, and know that it will always lead me to the manifestation of great confidence. My presence is strong and powerful. No one can take away from me what I know to be true about myself. Every day is a new chance for personal growth and manifestation of greater self-confidence through practice, effort, and dedication. I have all the power within me to manifest my biggest dreams with full confidence in myself and my abilities. Nothing can stand in the way when I choose to put forward my best foot with total pride and faith in my inner strength. No matter what challenges come up, I will face them with confidence and a strong sense of self-belief. I am brave enough to take risks when necessary, knowing that it will only lead me further along my path towards manifestation of confidence and success. I am worthy of all the good things life has to offer, and I can open up freely to receive them with unshakable trust in myself. I embrace mistakes as opportunities for growth and manifestation of greater confidence in my own judgment and decisions. My words hold power. When I speak, people can feel the conviction and strength behind my message. Self-love is the foundation upon which I build my manifestation of confidence every day, no matter what. I am unstoppable when it comes to believing in myself, achieving my goals, and manifesting lasting confidence in all areas of my life. Each moment is an opportunity for manifestation of greater confidence within me. I take full advantage of these each day. With each step forward, a stronger sense of self-belief and inner strength grows within me, propelling me towards manifestation of the confident life I desire. I am in control of my destiny and capable of manifestation of great confidence each day with intention, focus, and determination. I am unafraid to ask for help when needed, confident that it will lead me further towards manifestation of the life I want for myself. I accept challenges as part of the process towards manifestation of lasting confidence, knowing that success is possible no matter what comes up in life. Fear does not dictate my actions. Instead, faith in my own strength leads me forward with confidence and courage, no matter what lies ahead on my journey. Nothing can keep me from manifestation of true self-confidence. Love, courage, and trust are the force behind my manifestation of a confident life. I am the manifestation of confidence and success that I have always dreamt of, no matter what life throws my way. I I believe in myself and know with total certainty that manifestation of lasting confidence is within my reach. Each day is an opportunity to further increase my manifestation of confidence through practice, focus, and self-love. With a powerful vision for the future, I manifest greater confidence each step of the way towards achieving it. My manifestation of true confidence knows no bounds. All limits are broken as I continue to grow and learn more about myself each day. Every experience is a chance for manifestation. Lessons learned propel me forward on my journey with increased confidence. I choose to be courageous and trust in manifestation of confidence through hard work and dedication to my goals. My manifestation of confidence is woven into each action, no matter how small, showing the world that strength lies within me. I willingly face challenges head-on with unwavering faith in manifestation of greater confidence within myself. Each day I embrace manifestation of unbeatable confidence, knowing that it will carry me forward on my path towards success and fulfillment in life. I unlock my inner potential for manifestation of confidence and strength every single day. Self-love radiates from within me, propelling me further on the path towards manifestation of lasting confidence and success. I am capable of achieving greatness through manifestation of unwavering faith in myself and confidence in my own abilities. I accept each moment of manifestation as a blessing and use it to further expand upon the confidence that resides within me. Manifestation of true confidence requires faith, perseverance, and dedication, all of which I have plenty of. With manifestation of confidence comes an increased sense of connection with self, creating a strong foundation for future success in life. My manifestation of strength and courage is powerful. I am capable of achieving anything with just a little bit of belief in myself. No matter how small the steps may be, they still lead towards manifestation of total self-confidence and inner strength if taken consistently every day. I use manifestation of confidence to bring my dreams and goals into reality, embracing each moment with faith, courage, and love. Manifestation of greater self-confidence is within reach. I take each step forward towards it with enthusiasm and optimism for the future. Thank you for participating in these affirmations. They are making you stronger each time you recite them. You are one with the universe and with the Zenzoji community. Please like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you haven't done so already. It helps the channel grow and spread positivity to people around the world. Thank you.